If you're experiencing audio desync issues on your Xbox Series X, follow these simple steps to help resolve the problem. This guide will walk you through the process of adjusting settings to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your connections. Ensure that all your audio and video cables are securely connected. Loose connections can cause audio desync. If you're using HDMI, make sure it's firmly plugged into both the console and the TV. Step 2. Adjust audio settings. Navigate to the Xbox settings menu. Go to General, then Volume and Audio Output. Here, you can adjust the audio output settings. Experiment with different options like stereo and compressed or Windows Sonic for headphones to see if it resolves the desync. Step 3. Update your console. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, then System, and select Updates. If there is an update available, download and install it. Updates can fix bugs that may be causing audio issues. Step 4. Check TV audio settings. Sometimes the issue lies with your TV. Access your TV's audio settings and look for options like audio delay or lip sync. Adjust these settings to see if it helps synchronize the audio with the video. Step 5. Restart your console. If the problem persists, try restarting your Xbox Series X. Press and hold the Xbox button on the console for about 10 seconds until it turns off. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on. This can help reset any temporary glitches. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate audio desync on your Xbox Series X. Enjoy your gaming experience.